Preparation of containers for the maintenance of Neon Tetra brood fish. Firstly, clean the aquarium and prepare containers maintenance media such as water, aeration and water plants with a predetermined size. The next, make the aquarium dark by covering it with black plastic. Make a ketapang immersion water. Check the water quality and make sure its potential hydrogen is 6 until 7. Fill the aquarium with reservoir water and ketapang immersion water. Do acclimatization to the broodfish and feed the broodfish 2 until 3 times a day. The next, separate the male and the female. Neon Tetra spawning will occur for 1 until 2 days, 24 hours after coupling. We sell Neon Tetra fish by online like Shopee, Instagram, and Facebook. Also, we sell by offline like we sell to neighbor and friend. Sukses with fish farming of export standard Neon Tetra.